Since 2009, all diesel vehicles have, by law, had to be suitably equipped with a working diesel particulate filter, or DPF. This reduces the vehicle's carbon emissions, and without one, you can be liable for a heavy fine and your car may fail its MOT. Sometimes the DPF systems will fail or clog up, causing the vehicle to run inefficiently. This occurs for many reasons, and the usual dealer or garage response is an expensive process of removing and cleaning it, or a very costly replacement part. Alternatively, UKCC Autotech's specialised mobile diagnostics will determine the nature of the problem. It could be just a faulty sensor, or most likely a clogged filter. UKCC's DPF cleaning has been designed to help restore your vehicle's DPF back to pristine condition, and in so doing help improve your engine running, throttle response and fuel economy. The technician supplies a two-step chemical system that is pressurised through a pipe directly into the DPF. This means that in the majority of instances there is no requirement to remove the DPF for cleaning. UKCC complete the process in an average of 2 to 3 hours, with no expensive labour costs forcing you to leave your vehicle out of action for days on end. UKCC's mobile carbon cleaning technicians are fully insured to come direct to you to carry out the service no matter where you are. So get in touch today and speak with one of the UK's only trading standards and Checkatrade approved DPF cleaning companies.